Now look at the page number 165. Question number 11 NCRT. Question is A x1 y1 and B is x2 y2 are given in points of a diameter of a circle Find the equation of circle. Find the equation of circle. Right. So these are the two endpoints of diameters. So I will draw the diagram for circle. Suppose this is the circle, right? And this is the diameter having point A and B, having coordinate x comma y, that is x1 y1, and this is x2 y2, and this joins the point P at the circumference at P, that is x comma y. Right. So this is diameter, right? This is diameter. If it joins at the circumference, then it makes an angle of 90 degree, right? So this is making right angle triangle. This is like this. This is 90 degrees at point P. This is A. This is B. Its coordinate is x1, y1. P coordinate is x2, y2. P is at point x comma y. So we know the Pythagoras theorem by Pythagoras theorem. What we know? It is perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. That is AB square. This is hypotenuse. This is your perpendicular. This is your base. This is the relation between these three quantities. So we know PA. So we can find easily by PA. So PA is the distance between these 2 points. So we can write PA as, that will be what? It will be x minus x1 whole square by distance formula plus y minus y1 whole square. Right. Similarly for PB, this is the value for PA whole square. Now write for PB. So PB will be x minus x2 whole square plus y minus y2 whole square. Right. Then equal to, this is the part of PB whole square. This is PA whole square is equal to AB whole square. So it will be what? It will be x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This part is AB whole square. Now solve this equation by the formula, right? Expand on the basis of A minus B whole square. So it will be x square minus 2x x1. This is x1 plus x1 whole square plus y square plus y1 whole square minus of 2y y1 plus, right, this expand form now. So it is x square minus 2x x2 plus x2 whole square plus y square plus y2 whole square minus 2y y2 is equal to x1 whole square minus 2x1 x2 plus x2 whole square plus y1 square minus 2y1 y2 plus y2 whole square. Is it clear to you up to this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If any quantity is getting cancelled, please cancel it. So let's see by another color. So this x1 is cancelled with this one, and this x2 is cancelled with this one. Y1 is cancelled with this, and y2 is cancelled with these y2 quantities. Clear up to this point? So first write up to this point, then I will show the next step. So remaining is this part here, and here is this, right? And remaining part is here also, right? So write the this part on next step. So let's see. So it is remaining is x square minus 2 x x1 plus y square minus 2y y1 plus x square minus 2x x2 plus y square minus 2y y2 is equal to minus 2 x1 x2 minus 2 y1 y2. These are the remaining parts. You can see on the previous slide. So here is remaining on the right hand side. Right, take all the part on the left hand side. So let's see the changes now. So add these two. So it will be 2x square. Add y square terms though. So it will be what? So it will be 2y square, right? Minus 2x x1 minus 2x x2, and write the y with the in sequence. So it will be 2y y1 minus 2y y2. So it will be plus 2x1 x2 plus 2y1 y2 is equal to 0. Right. Now, so it will be 2x square plus 2y square. Right. So take the common from these two quantities. So it is what? x1 is common, right? 2x is common. So it is x2 minus x1. Right. Now take common from these two. So remaining in this quantity, no? So it is minus 2x x2. And now take common from these two. So it will be 2y y2 minus y1 minus 2y2 is equal to 0. So divide by 2, so all 2 will get cancelled. So it is x square plus y square plus x into x2 minus x1 minus x x2 plus y y2 minus y1 minus y y2 is equal to 0. Right. Now if you want to take common from these two quantity like this and from this, so what will be the common? It is x common, so it will be x minus x2, and y is common, so y minus y2 into x2 minus x1 plus y into y2 minus y1 is equal to 0. So what we can do now? So right up to this point, then I will tell you for the common how to take like this. After writing the all terms together like x square plus y square minus x1 minus of y1 minus x2 minus y2 plus x1 x2 plus y1 y2 is equal to 0. Right. So what we can do now? So take common x from here and take x2 common from here. So what will be common? So it is x minus x1. Now take y common from these two. So it is y into y minus y1. Again I am taking next part common, and this will be what? It will be plus x2 into x minus x1. Now we have got the sequence. So it is y2 common, y minus y1. Now we have got the answer. So this is common from these two. So take, and this is common. So it will be x minus x1 into y minus y1. Right. So here middle is plus. So it is right plus here. So remaining is these two now. So it will be x plus x2. And remaining is y plus y2. So this is the another way for writing the equation of line between these two points. Or if you arrange x in one term and y on the y, so what will be there? This is another way of writing. Another, see, let's see the another part also. So it is x square plus y square minus x1 minus y1. I am writing the same step, upper part below. So minus y1 minus x2 minus y2 plus x1 x2 plus y1 y2 is equal to 0. Right. So, so what we can do here? If you take common, so your final answer will be like this: x minus x1 into x minus x2, x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So this will be the equation of circle having 2 points at the diameter. Right. Right. So right up to this point. So let's see the next method, how to solve the next. By the next method, suppose this is the circle having diameter AB, having the coordinates x1, y1, and this is your x2, y2, right? So we have taken the point P here, coordinate is x comma y. So this is the center C, right? So center C is the midpoint of these 2 points, right? C is center and it is also midpoint of AB, right? So you can get the coordinates of C by midpoint formula, right? Suppose this is G comma A, if I am taking the coordinate of C, so G will be equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, right? So this is your x1, this is your x2. So we have added, and next is y a G, after that F. So it is y1 plus y2 upon 2, right? So this is the center of the circle. Next, we can find the radius. So what will be the radius? Right, this is diameter, this is the radius you can derive. So this will be the radius from the center. So this coordinate we have got now. This is x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2, right? So for radius, for finding the radius, by distance formula, what we can get? So it is what? This point minus this. So it will be x1 plus x2 upon 2 minus of x whole square plus y1 plus y2 upon 2 minus of y whole square, right? Now solve this one. So it will be what? After taking the LCM. So LCM is 2. So it is x1 plus x2 minus 2x whole square divided by 2 into 2, right? We have a square the 2 plus y1 minus y2 minus of 2y whole square upon 4. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hold for a second. So this will be what? It will be under root of x1 plus x2 minus 2x whole square divided by 4 plus y1 plus y2 minus 2y whole square upon 4, right? This is the radius part. Again, we can do what? You can use the equation of circle. So these are the 2 points we have derived here. Center of the circle and radius of the circle. Now see the next part. So what is the equation of circle? Right. It is nothing but it is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equal to radius square, right? So we'll use this relation. So it will be what? Here. So write this one as it is. So it is x minus x1 whole square. So I am taking this point and this point. So it is for finding the radius circle. So x minus x1 square plus y minus y1 whole square is equal to. So after expanding these two quantities, so it will be what? So it is x1 plus x2 minus 2x whole square upon 4, right? Plus y plus y1 plus y2 minus 2y whole square upon 4, right? Now solve this one, then you will get the answer. So write first up to this point. So your equation is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equal to x1 plus x2 minus what? It is minus 2x upon 4 whole square plus y1 plus y2 minus 2y whole square upon 4. So expand this equation, so you will get the answer. So it is x square plus x1 whole square minus 2x x1 plus y plus y1 whole square minus 2 y y1 is equal to x1 whole square plus x2 whole square plus 4x whole square, right? Plus of 2x1 x2 minus 2 x2 x minus 2 minus 2. No, it will be 4 then. It is also 4. So it is 4 x1 of x by whole 4 plus y1 square plus y2 square plus 4y square minus 2y1 y2. This will be minus 4 y2 y minus 4 y y1 is equal to, note, it is already equal, right? Now take the LCM, so it is also divided by 4, no? So taking the LCM, so LCM is 4, so I will multiply on the left hand side. So it will be what? So it will be 4x square plus 4x1 square minus 8x x1 plus 4y square. So this is a square plus 4y1 square minus 8y y1 is equal to x1 square plus x2 square plus 4x square plus 2x x1 x1, this is x2 minus 4 x2 x minus 4 x1 x plus y1 square plus y2 square plus 4y square minus 2 y1 y2 minus 4y2 y minus 4y y1. Is it?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
So why are we multiplying with 4?
because it is like this, no? Because below this on the left hand side, so you can see from this step, upper steps. So this is the 4, right? On the right hand side on the denominator, and here there is denominator is 1. So I will cross multiplying here, no? So 4 will be here and 1 will be here. 4 equating, no? For simplifying. Understood? It is like this. Suppose I am taking the simple equation like x is equal to y upon 4. So what is y? So it is nothing but it is 4 times of x is y, no? It is like that only. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait for a second. So right up to this point, so it will be log out, then join immediately after this. So I will continue from here. Do you want to study after 11:30? Ma'am is asking.
No, I have other classes that time.
Okay. Okay. Then we'll do maths today for